Hi everyone, it's Miss McKinney. This is an intervention lesson for our long vowel with a silent E if you need more practice. We're going to start by reviewing our sound spelling cards and just the sound for each of the long vowels. So this is the train card for long A. It says A. What does long A say? A. This is our tree card for the long E sound. What sound does long E make? E. Very good. The 5 card is for the long I sound. What sound does long I make? I. Good job. The boat card is for a long O. What sound does long O make? O. And finally, the cube card is for our long U card, or U sound. What sound does long U make? U, and remember it can also sometimes say oo. All right. Like I said, today we are going to be focusing on the long vowel spellings with silent E at the end. So watch as I practice writing a few long vowel words. I'm going to say the sounds as I write them on the board. O, The way that I made this O say O is because I knew I was going to write a silent E at the end. So this word is home. It has a long O. TH says ease, ease, these. This word is these. It has a long E sound. Use, fuse. Fuse has the long U sound. Ave, cave. Cave has the long A sound. And let's do one more like this. I'm, time. This word is time. It has the long I sound. Time. Now, I've got some words that I've already written on cards. They are multisyllabic words, which means that they have more than one syllable or word parts. And we are going to use what we know about long vowels in the spelling to read these words. All right, so I've got one of my words here, and I've got one syllable showing, and I've covered up the rest of the word. Okay, so we see use. Now, all we have to do is read the last part of this word, less. So we put those together, we have use less, useless. This word is useless. Usually, when you see, whether it's at the beginning, middle, or end of a word, if you see a syllable that has a consonant, a vowel, consonant, silent E, that's going to be a syllable or a word part on its own. So I have useless. So use is its own syllable and less is its own syllable. Let's practice with another one. Okay. This one has a couple of E's in it, but right here I see vowel, consonant, E. So I see my long A spelling. All right. So I'm going to divide this up right here, and we see ache, make. We have the prefix re at the beginning. So now we can put those two parts together to read this longer word. Remake. This word is remake. If you remake something, you make it again. Oh, look at all of those E's. Where do you think we're going to divide this word up into its syllables? Well, these two have to go together, okay, because this is at the end of the word, so we know this one's going to be silent. So these are going to go together. Now, I know that when we were in school, you all remembered learning about open syllables. Remember that open syllables end with a vowel, and the vowel sound is long. So this is an open syllable. It ends with the vowel E, and the E is going to be long. So how can we read this syllable? D, leet, eat, delete. If you delete something, that means that you erase it or you get rid of it. If you were typing on the computer, you may have made a mistake and you delete it. Or when I'm checking emails and I'm finished with that email, I don't need it anymore, I delete it. All right? I want you to look at this. Where do you think we are going to divide this into syllables? A lot of times when we have two consonants right next to each other, like the N and the R, we can divide it there. We know that the I and the E have to go together, so we're going to divide it. Each syllable has to have a vowel sound in it, so our first vowel sound in this one is so this is un. Ripe. This word is unripe. Got a couple more. We know that this silent E is going to go with this, okay? So that means that that part is a syllable on its own. It's a silent E syllable. What does this syllable say? Hope. Full. This word is hopeful. And finally, remember what I said about dividing it between two consonants if we have two consonants next to each other? Con, use, fuse. This word is confuse. Let's practice reading these words one more time. Ready? Useless, remake, delete, unripe, hopeful, and confuse. Okay? So whenever you're trying to read longer words, try to see if you can find a syllable that has the silent E pattern, because then you know which parts will go together. Let's look at this sentence that I have here. There are several long vowel words that have silent E's at the end. Look at this one here first. Eve, broke, broke, and we have plate, plate. Let's try to read the sentence together. Follow my finger. Eve broke her plate at lunch. Let's read it one more time, nice and smoothly. Eve broke her plate at lunch. Great job. Now, we're going to do a few dictation words before you all go to the next video for your decodable practice. Pause the video and get yourself a piece of paper and a pencil. Are you ready? Now remember, when we do dictation, you're going to listen to the word, say it back to me, and then we'll tap our sounds before you write. Your first word is broke. Say the word broke. Let's tap the sounds. B, R, oak. Pause the video and write the word broke. Are you ready to check? Broke. B, R, O, K. Broke. B-R-O-K-E spells broke. Your next word is shape. Say the word shape. Let's tap those sounds together. Sh, A, P. Pause the video and write the word shape. Are you ready to check? Shape. Sh, A, P. Shape. S-H-A-P-E spells shape. One more word. Say the word slide. Let's tap the sounds in slide. S-L-I-D. Pause the video and write the word slide. All right, let's check slide. S-L-I-D. Slide. S-L-I-D-E. Slide. All right, we're going to do one decodable sentence. Excuse me, not decodable sentence, dictation sentence. All right, I'm going to say the sentence a couple of times, and each time I want you to say it back to me. Our sentence is, I will ride the mule home. Say that sentence. I will ride the mule home. Say it again. How many words will be in our sentence? I will ride the mule home. That sentence only has 6 words in it. Pause the video and write the sentence, I will ride the mule home. Are you ready to check your sentence? I will ride. That's one of our long vowel words. The mule home. Check your sentence and make sure it matches mine. You should have started with an uppercase I and ended with a period, and you had 3 long vowel words in that sentence. Right, that's all that we have for this part of the lesson. Make sure that you find the decodable for more practice reading long vowel words with a silent E. I'll see you later.